wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Bobbiana is back. New day, testing out a new product. Like I said, I should have been posted this video, but if you guys want to know more about the Pat McGrath bronzer, let's go. Okay, kind of unrelated to the video, but I did my brows a little more straight. Well, this one's giving a little curve, but I did them a little more straight as opposed to, you know, curved in. Let me know what you think. Playing with different brow shapes. Finally have brow pencil again, so I don't have to rely on mascara, but so focus on this one. Let me know what you think of that new brow shape. But like I said, testing out a new product. Let me go ahead and put it back in the bag so we can have that whole, you know, fancy content creator look to it. One moment. This is the Pat McGrath Skin Fetish Divine Powder Bronzer. This retails for $39 for, how many ounces are you getting this? 0.33 ounces. This comes in 5 shades. I believe this is the darkest shade. Yes? This is the darkest shade, Bronze Mahogany. If I open it up, the shade in the pan looks like that. And then the description for the, oh, where'd it go? A blendable, lightweight bronzer that is designed to create sun-sculpted definition that leaves skin perfected and blurred with a natural, radiant glow. Coverage is medium, finish is matte, formulation is pressed powder. Anything else you need to know? This luxuriously soft powder bronzer will leave you radiant from sunrise to sunset. This is Pat McGrath's first ever bronzing range. Oh, this is her first one. That is infused with refined golden pearls to balance red, golden, and neutral undertones while adding dimensional warmth to all complexions. The result, smooth, silky, and seductive skin. Okay, like I said, this is the darkest shade. Aunty. Go ahead and swatch it because this is what it looks like in the pan. First of all, the cute little crown imprint. I like when they do that, but I hate it because when you start using it, it's gonna go away. This is what it looks like on my finger. And then if you swatch it, that's what it looks like on my hand. Now I need to turn around because the lights are all in my eyes. I can see it on my hand. You see that kind of reddish-y shape? Well, not reddish because there's red bronzer, but definitely a more warm bronzer. And I've seen this debate back and forth on, you know, should there be cool tone bronzers, neutral bronzers. It kind of talked about it a little bit in the description. I just fit over here, personally, to me. You gotta clarify that because people be getting real about someone else's opinion, but like bronzer is supposed to be warm to me. And that's just, you know, that's kind of the purpose of it. Like, you want cool in your contour. That's usually why you wear both, but a lot of people don't wear both, so I kind of get why you want like the variation, but for me, like that's the whole part of bronzing, especially if you do like a more medium to full coverage face of foundation, you lose dimension when you do that. You know, you lose, your face gets flat when it's just foundation and concealer all over your face. So that's really the point of, well, one, contour is going to, you know, sculpt your face again, and then bronzer is going to bring warmth into your face and stuff like that. So for me, I usually want a warmer bronzer, but I can at least see the swatch on my hand. If you saw the last bronzer I reviewed, you know why I'm laughing. But let me go ahead and try that on my face to see what it is giving. All right, now, I guess, ooh. I think I put a little too much on the brush, but we here, so why not? That really looks like too much. We're gonna ignore that. Y'all know I only glued that part of a wig down, barely, but let's. Okay, so side of the face, bronzed, not bronzed. Whole face bronze. So that is it for my face. She's giving a little beat, not even a little beat, she's giving beat. Thoughts on this product? I'm not gonna lie, once again, kind of like the other bronzer I just reviewed, swatch had me a little worried. Showed up on my finger really well, thinking, okay, we got this. And then, you know, I actually saw the swatch on my hand, but you know how it plays into my face. I feel like you saw it on my face. It blended in really nicely. Sometimes, actually what I really noticed, and I didn't have it on video because sometimes you don't, well, if you don't know it's going to react that way, you don't know to record it. But I already had contour on before I put the bronzer on. I put the bronzer on, it blended in really easily. I put blush on top of that, and the blush like was just kind of like melting in. And sometimes it can be any of the products. It could be the blush you use, the contour you use, the bronzer you use. They don't all gel well. Like it just kind of feels like everything sits on top of each other, all that stuff. And I just noticed that in this, with this product, that it blended in really nicely with each other. So there's that. You know, I do feel like could have gave us one more shade after this one. Just saying, Aunty. But other than that, I like this. I feel like it blended in really nicely. I do like that it is more of a warmer bronzer shade. I mean, it's bronzer, so there's not that much to say, but it does say it's a matte bronzer. I do think it mattifies, well, it tones down any type of, you know, shine or anything like that. It's not a dewy type bronzer, which I do know sometimes people do like more dewy glow bronzers because, you know, bronze, you want bronze skin, summer, all that good stuff. But I like that. So I'm here for this. I'm here for this Aunty packs. Okay, for her first round of bronzers, I am here for the actual formula of the product and the shade of the product. You just could have gave us one more of it. So that is it for this video. I hope seeing me test this out has helped. If any of you were thinking of checking it out for yourself, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!